Hey, what's up, you guys? We're going to move over to Kaspa now. I'm going to try making this video as short and sweet as possible. So in the last 24 hours, Kaspa is down just slightly 0.21% in terms of the price. We're currently trading at 0.0645. And in terms of the volume, just slight hit at 28%. So when we take a look at the charts here, especially on the daily time frame, we're looking at an indecision point when it comes to the bulls and the bears, which may be the bottom level from this downwards trend. Now, we have seen Kaspa kind of take a hit on multiple layers of our Fibonacci chart, especially when it came down to March 25th. So we can see these big red candlesticks favoring over to the sellers. And now we're seeing this indecision point from the last candlestick itself. Now, if we do take a look at some of characteristics of possible reversal signs for the bulls, we would need to hit at least 50% of the previous red candlestick and close above that level in order for us to see any type of recovery towards the upside. And that price point here to beat is 0.065. So if the bulls are able to break above this level, close above this level, then essentially it is going to give us good traction to come up and retest our 38% of our Fibonacci, which is the resistance line here of 0.066. So that's only towards the upside. If we do see a close below further down and see closing below this previous candlestick body, then unfortunately this bearish trend is going to continue and possible retest of our 23% of 0.062. If we take a look closer on the immediate short term for 4 hours, in terms of the activity here for the price, we're seeing price here consolidate. So we're seeing price coming down to this area of support, retesting this area of resistance, and then possibly coming down to that area of support found on that daily time frame. One of the things here that I do want to show you on the 4-hour immediate short term is the Bollinger Bands. So Bollinger Bands here kind of show us some activity level. If we're seeing consolidation, typically what we'll see is we'll see these upper band and lower band kind of go towards horizontally and kind of close in. So we'll kind of do like a small little narrow kind of tunnel itself. To confirm the consolidation. That means that there's lower volatility. Price isn't really moving a whole lot. It may hit resistance, get rejected, coming down to support. Now, if we do see that, then we are going to be most likely bouncing for a couple of days until we see that immediate breakout. And essentially, those are the two targets here that I want you guys to take away from if we're able to come up and retest. And hopefully the bulls are able to defend this area so at least we can see some type of recovery into the phase here for Kaspa. But that is my video wrap up here for Kaspa. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe as well. But hopefully I'll guys see you in the next one. Bye.